Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact model and current build in Settings Device Preferences so you don't install the wrong firmware. Once done, backup apps and important data to a USB drive or cloud storage and make sure the box has power or at least 50% battery. Next, download the official OTA package or factory image that matches your model and confirm the file size and checksum to prevent corrupted installs. You'll install the update using the vendor-recommended method, USB, SD card, or a DB. If using USB or SD, format as FAT32 and place the update in the root with the proper file name, then reboot to recovery through Settings or the device key combo. Once in recovery, choose Apply Update from ADB, SD, or USB. The device will verify signatures and unpack files. Make sure you don't interrupt power after the update completes. You may need to wipe cache and then reboot so the system can optimize apps and services. Once the launcher loads, restore backups, sign into accounts, and test network, HDMI, and DRM playback to confirm functionality. If the box fails to boot or gets stuck, don't panic. Reflash the factory image from recovery or use the vendor's PC flashing tool, and make sure you match the exact model image to avoid further problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.